The Waterpik Water Flosser is the easy and more effective way to clean between teeth and is clinically proven to be more effective than air flossing, interdental brushing and string flossing for removing plaque and improving gum health. Before using your new cordless Advanced Water Flosser, you'll need to charge the unit. Place the magnetic charger on the front of the unit and your cordless Advanced will rapidly charge and be ready to use within 4 hours. After the unit is fully charged, fill the reservoir with warm water. Next, select the tip that is right for you. The Waterpik Water Flosser removes up to 99.9% of plaque from treated areas. Our orthodontic tip is perfect for cleaning around braces. Our Plaque Seeker tip is great for implants, crowns, bridges and retainers. And our classic jet tip is best for general use. Next, insert a tip firmly until it clicks into place. To remove or change the tip, press the eject button located on the top of the water flosser. Next, press the mode button to adjust the water pressure. Start with the lowest setting and increase to your liking. To begin water flossing, place the tip in your mouth, lean over the sink and turn the unit on. As you floss, close your lips enough to prevent splashing, while still allowing the water to flow from your mouth into the sink. To avoid mess, don't look into the mirror while water flossing, look into the sink. For best results, aim the tip at the gum line at a 90-degree angle. Starting with the back teeth, follow the gum line and pause briefly between teeth. After completing the front and back, clean the bottom teeth in the same way. The cordless Advanced Water Flosser is waterproof, so it may be used in the shower. A water plug is included to prevent leakage during transport, and a travel bag is included for added convenience. All it takes is a minute a day to get healthier gums, brighter teeth and fresher breath.